What yogurt is the most nutritious? Yogurt is a creamy and delicious dairy product enjoyed by people all around the world. Not only is it tasty, but it is also nutritional. However, with so many options available in the grocery store, it can be confusing to determine which yogurt is the most nutritious. Let's break it down to help you make the best choice for your health. In this video, we shall look at the key nutrients in yogurt, types of yogurt, and how to choose the most nutritious option. Key nutrients in yogurt. Before we look at the types of yogurt, it's important to understand the nutrients that make yogurt healthy. 1. Protein. Yogurt is a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. 2. Calcium. It's rich in calcium, promoting strong bones and teeth. 3. Probiotics. Some yogurts contain probiotics, friendly bacteria that support gut health and digestion. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Yogurt also contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, potassium, and magnesium, which are important for overall health. Types of yogurt. There are several types of yogurt available, each with its own nutritional profile. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is strained to remove the whey, resulting in a thicker consistency and higher protein content compared to regular yogurt. 2. Regular yogurt, also known as traditional yogurt. This type is creamy and smooth, with a moderate amount of protein and calcium. 3. Low-fat or fat-free yogurt. These options have had the fat content reduced or removed. They can be a good choice if you're watching your fat intake. 4. Flavored yogurt. Flavored yogurts come in various flavors like strawberry, blueberry, and vanilla. However, be cautious of added sugars in flavored yogurts. 5. Plain yogurt. Plain yogurt is unsweetened and unflavored, making it a versatile option for adding to recipes or enjoying with toppings of your choice. Choosing the most nutritious option. When it comes to selecting the most nutritious yogurt, consider the following factors. 1. Protein content. Greek yogurt typically has the highest protein content, making it an excellent choice if you're looking to boost your protein intake. 2. Calcium content. Regular yogurt often has a slightly higher calcium content compared to Greek yogurt due to the straining process. 3. Probiotics. Look for yogurts that contain live and active cultures, as these can provide additional benefits for your gut health. 4. Added sugars. Opt for yogurts with minimal added sugars or choose plain yogurt and sweeten it yourself with natural options like honey or fresh fruit. 5. Fat content. Choose the fat content that aligns with your dietary preferences and needs. Full-fat yogurts can be satisfying, while low-fat or fat-free options may be preferable if you're watching your fat intake. The most nutritious yogurt for you depends on your individual dietary preferences and health goals. Whether you prefer the creaminess of Greek yogurt, the versatility of plain yogurt, or the convenience of flavored options, incorporating yogurt into your diet can provide numerous health benefits. Experiment with different types and flavors to find the yogurt that best suits your taste buds and nutritional needs. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel for additional informative health content.